Hi, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper of a Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, April the 19th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, 2 out of 5. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku I've already solved, so 3 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. Yes, actually there are 9 puzzles in this additional, but I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it. It's almost a day job, so only half of them I will solve, and the third puzzle I will solve will be the binary puzzle number 4430. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then yeah, one. Let me think. I think we need to compare. Yeah, do we have 1, 3, 3? Okay. Yeah. We need to compare the columns. Yeah, this one is almost the same. So I cannot compare those. So maybe the last one, 11001, 11001. Yeah, the last column and this column. 1 1 1 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With an O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really? No. A tectonic, yeah, a tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.